Started coming here last summer, probably about July, August time last summer. I had some bad problems with my teeth. I was getting pains, and I'd been going to another dentist locally, but hadn't really felt that their service was very good. So thought I'd give it a try out here. I'd heard that from other people that this was a good dentist to come to, and I just wanted a fresh start, and just very impressed when I came in with the service. So I thought, yeah, it's nice to come in and sort of relax and be in this sort of environment, which is a bit different to your normal NHS waiting room, I guess. Yeah, but ultimately it's down to the service, and the service is second to none here, really. I guess you could say I've had fears and anxieties about the dentist since first sitting in the chair when I was God knows how old, and I didn't have a very good dentist when I was growing up who always made me feel guilt apart from anything else, and didn't really give a positive to my teeth. So coming here, Dr. Manny said, look, this is the situation, this is what you got, this is how we're going to resolve it, you can resolve it, it's going to be fine, and we'll sort it out together. And it has. In a matter of months I feel a level of confidence that I've never had before, really. In my job, I work in sales, so my image is very important. But I found more and more my anxiety about my teeth and them not being right. It meant my hand went over my mouth like this, and I never really, I was never confident to actually sort of move out. But in business, it's so important for that confidence. And since coming here, and through the sort of encouragement of Dr. Manny and what's been going on, I've got no fear now, and I'll go out there and say what I want. I've got no fear of anyone seeing my teeth or what state they are, because I know they're in a great state, and I'm very happy with them. I had a few fillings, and I realised the previous dentist had actually been putting some bad materials in to fill my teeth, and so they actually had to be redone anyway. I had quite a lot of decoloration as well, so I went for a whitening stage after Dr. Manny making sure that my teeth had got to a sort of a healthy stage so that the whitening could be done. And then also had actually a baby tooth that was still in and growing up at an angle here, so that actually had to be removed. Now that was quite a big procedure and actually involved an implant going in. Something that I would have been absolutely petrified about in times gone by, but as soon as I get in that chair, and as corny as it sounds, but I have trust. I don't really have a fear about what's going on. Yeah, there may be a small amount of pain, but it's nothing really once you trust the person, and I think that was one of my major problems before. I have recommended my housemate, yeah, and I'd be happy to recommend anyone else, as the service I've got here has been fantastic. You know, people have asked me, you know, was it worth it? And yeah, absolutely. I mean, you can't put money on confidence, so it's made me a much happier person. So I'd say, yeah, it's definitely worth it.